Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside David Gurr, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo. Lisa, what are you looking at in the markets?
Right. I'm starting in your wheelhouse, Paul. Okay, we're going to Warner Brothers, ticker WBD. Their shares have been up as much as 4%. So the reason why Paramount Skydance is David Ellison, he could be taking his offer to buy Warner Brothers directly to shareholders. So this is like the next step, because sources are saying that they rejected Paramount's initial offer for being too low. It was about $20 a share. So now Paramount has a few options, right? One, they could boost their bid. Two, they could add additional backing through a financial partner. And three, they could go directly to shareholders. And that's what a lot of sources are saying that they're probably going to do. But the question I have is, I mean, isn't Warner Brothers still planning to split into two businesses? So I guess Ellison wants to jump on this before then.
A lot of moving parts here. How about just the math here?
Yeah.
Paramount Skydance has got a total enterprise value of about $32 billion. Mm-hmm. Warner Brothers Discovery's got enterprise value of almost $80 billion. It's more than twice as big. So you got to go out there if you're Paramount, and you got to get some. I know Mr. Ellison's got a lot of money, but he doesn't have that kind of money.
I saw the journal reporting this morning, Apollo, standing ready to finance this deal if indeed happens.
Equity, and pony up there. So it could happen, but
they have to take on the debt load.
Yes,
too.
Exactly right, Lisa.
I don't know.
Exactly.
$35 billion. I think.
That's crazy.
Yep. So that's a tough one.
But I guess, the Ellison family does have money.
They do. Exactly.
I don't know if it's that
do.
much.
Aspirations and money, two things together.
And the people who have money, access to the people who have money. Okay, a few of these are like quick mentions. There's not really a lot of meat to these stories. And this next company, really no meat. It's beyond meat. It's ticker BYND. Their shares really taking a hit, down as much as 66%.
Wow.
It announced an update for debt exchange offer. So basically it said nearly all of its creditors had accepted this debt swap that would lead to substantial dilution of shareholders, a debt swap. So based on the latest results, the company said it's expected to issue 316 million new shares. But I mean, the meat alternative craze, it's just been weakening, and the company hasn't been doing well.
Yeah, that was short, wasn't it?
I feel like it was.
In the pandemic, right?
Yeah. Not in my household.
Not in my house.
Yeah.
We never, I don't know. I'm just looking at the balance sheet here. They have about $1.3 billion of debt on the balance sheet and no EBITDA.
Wow.
So there's no cash to pay back to service that debt. That's the problem.
A bleak outlook, yeah.
Yeah, I know a lot of people are saying because it's still processed, and that whole talk about, don't eat processed foods and all this, and that's kind of like something behind it. But yeah, most people not going for that craze anymore.
No.
So I want to go to beauty company Estee Lauder. It's ticker EL. Their shares have been up nearly 5%. This is kind of an upgrade downgrade story. This one an upgrade from Goldman Sachs to buy from neutral. And then finally, we also have StubHub. It's ticker STUB. Their shares up as much as 4%. They received several bullish initiations after that IPO. After its IPO,
that's right.
So analysts expect it to further leverage its position, they're saying, as it enters that primary ticketing market. So yeah, shares are higher, and analysts are saying the company's going to do a lot better. And then while we're here, we might as well get back in with Disney, because their shares have been up 2%. And the big news here is Taylor Swift. Yeah, she says she's going to have that new content. Disney Plus in December, 6 episodes, behind the scenes docuseries. Are your girls into the whole Taylor Swift?
There is widespread interest in this new album, which we did have to listen to on a car trip a few days ago. But yeah, I mean, I feel like she can't do anything wrong, even if I don't think the album is great. What is it? I don't know how many tens of millions of dollars she sold so far. The album.
And the weekend movie. Did you go to the weekend movie?
We did not. We did not. I was able to resist that, I'm happy to say. But her power is awesome. I think we can all agree.
Do we have a wedding date?
No wedding date. No wedding date set for her and Travis Kelce.
Got to wait for the season.
Wait for the season to be over.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.